Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther Olaoye, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you're an oldie boy goodie, you're welcome. I love you, you know I do. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to slay on a budget, because we all like to look good without spending money. I don't know if it's just me, but I like to look good without spending my cash. So the first way to slay on a budget is thrift stores. Like, people think buying things from thrift stores is like buying fake cheap things, but most of the things at thrift stores are like really good brands, but like for less, if you get what I mean. They are good expensive brands, but they've just used it or like worn it, but like most of them are new actually. They're just good clothes for less, and they are beautiful affordable clothes for less. You guys are sleeping on Poundland. Like, Poundland is the key, guys. Poundland, you can get from makeup to beauty to like clothes as well, because I saw clothes. You can get like nail polishes, you can get different things, household materials and stuff. Like, you can get different things at Poundland. Like, there's so much stuff for just £1, guys. Just £1. I cannot stress this enough. £1. The second way to slay on a budget is to take advantage of samples. Go into stores and then ask for their samples. Even though you don't really need samples, just ask for it and use the sample, and then go in again and ask for another sample, and go in again and ask for another sample. Yeah, but yeah, take advantage of samples. And some samples can be really like medium size that you can use to whenever. For example, hand creams. You can get foundation samples as well. You can get, yeah, but not clothing samples though. Foundation samples. So many samples that you can use and then save money and spend money on the more important things. The third way to slay on a budget is to set for giveaways. YouTube is home to thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of giveaways. If you like a particular product, just go on YouTube, type it in, or like Google and type it in and see what comes up, and then just put in your luck and just see if you win it. And yeah, there's just thousands and thousands of giveaways, and just type in so giveaway and then search for it. For example, Mac giveaway, and just search. You'll find so many giveaways for free, guys. It is free of charge. And then if you win, you have the product to yourself and you save your money, guys. You save your money. The fourth way to slay on a budget is to DIY. Like I said in my first point, Poundland is like the home of everything for just £1. DIY, like, okay guys, if you want ripped jeans, go to Primark, pick up like a £5 jeans or a £10 jeans and just snip. Like, everyone has a blade or like a scissors in their house. Just snip, guys. Like, oh my, if you find a ripped jeans for like £50, maybe on like in like New Look or something, go to Primark, £10, scissors, £1, £11, done, and you save yourself £39, guys. £39 that you can spend on several other things. And also, guys, AliExpress is the bomb, guys. The bomb. AliExpress, eBay as well. But also, guys, always check the dimensions of things you want to buy on there, because let's just not go into that. So AliExpress, like, you can DIY things to your satisfaction. You can get whatever you want. If you want a crop top, just buy a £1 top or like something that you like that is not too expensive, and just get scissors. Like, scissors, glue, whatever is the key, guys. DIY. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and also leave tips to slay on a budget in the comment section below. And also talk to me, guys. Like, I answer every single comment I get. So how to slay on a budget, leave in the comment section below, and tell me any other videos that you would like to see on my channel. Don't forget to follow my social media. I'll leave it in the comment section below, as well as at the end of this video. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, comment, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Love you.